Hey viewers, this is Jeff from With Jeff. I didn't want to interrupt you while you were reading, but as you can see, we're speeding along in the Mini Cooper, and we're following the reverse of the Hingham 4th of July parade route. And these clips that you see coming in are drone clips of the actual parade. There's Loring Hall, which is the old-time cinema here in town, and Hingham Institution for Savings is right there. At the corner of that building over there with the bunting used to be where Brigham's was downtown. So back into the car, we'll cruise up Main Street, not down Main Street, although it's counterintuitive because the water in Hingham is on the north side of town, not on the south side, which you might think is where harbors and water might be. I'm going to pause here for a sec so you can watch these guys shoot. What I was saying was we're doing the opposite of the Hingham 4th of July parade route right now, and when I get to the high school, which is where they queue up, I'll whip the car around and then do the route in the proper sequence. Floats and marchers all queue up here at the high school, and then they head in this direction. Right down this road in front of the high school, and take a left at the stop sign, and you'll notice in the center of the road here, this is the DARE float. I think my friends Frank, Angie, and Phyllis are marching in this float, or in this with this float alongside. Frank is the guy waving in the white shirt right beside the trailer. You'll notice the line down the center of the road right now, as I'm driving, is painted red, white, and blue. The weird thing is, and I used to think they did the entire parade route, but the weird thing is, as we cross this intersection, it goes back to being just a center yellow line. One thing that's for sure is that the Hingham Parade is a family-friendly event, hard for me to say, and lots of people come out with their families and kids, and it's really good for everyone to go see on the 4th. Just a lot of spirit here in town. Oh, as I was saying, the middle of the road is all yellow right here, and I don't know why they didn't paint it red, white, and blue like they did everywhere else, but coming up around two corners, little S turn, down into town. Oh, well, I'll tell you in a sec. As you can see, the people marching, coming down Main Street, are marching towards the church, and then they're going to take a right on North Street and head over to Station Street. So right around the corner, the yellow line turns back into red, white, and blue. The thing I wanted to mention a second ago is that this is all done at walk-in pace. So to time this out, I believe they kick off or they start walking around 10, and they don't really get into downtown until past 11. And it can be fairly warm as it was on this day. Here's the view above Hingham Center. Hingham's downtown, and you can see Boston off to the left. So now I'm driving the car, still red, white, and blue middle. Take a right at St. Paul's. Take a right on North Street, which you can see St. Paul's here. North Street is right where the bend and the people are. And we're going to head all the way back down into Station Street and park the car, just to show you the actual route. You could probably bail out now if you wanted to, and if you so desire, please click the thumbs up and click the bell icon so you're notified when I do new episodes of With Jeff. And we're gonna whip right into this parking lot. Thanks for watching. This is With Jeff. I'm Jeff. I'll see you in the next episode. And if you haven't seen my recent video of me going around a rotary 90 times, it's really not 90 times. Go take a look at that. It's about 23 seconds long. Well worth your time.